question 7 reads, what is the solution set to the equation above? Well, this equation right here is the factored, it's the factored form of a quadratic, right? It's the factored form of a quadratic. And we know, or you should know, that when we equate the factored form to 0, we can take each of these factors and equate them to 0 individually and solve for x. And if that confuses you, it's something like this. I can rewrite it as a into b equals 0. What this theory really means is that either a can be equal to 0 or b can be equal to 0. Or rather, a equals 0 and b equals 0, okay? And so that's just a general background of this right here. And so when I apply this theory almost, to this, it's going to be, well, I can equate both of these factors to 0. And so 2x minus 1 equals 0. And I can solve for x. And that's going to be, well, I bring the 1 to the right-hand side by adding 1 to both sides. And so it becomes 2x equals 1. Sorry, if I wrote x twice. 2x equals 1. And divide both sides by 2, and so x equals half. That's one solution already. And so we can cancel out b and d, right? That those answer choices do not have positive half. And then the second, our second solution is going to be this when we equate this factor to 0. And so that's going to be x plus 2 squared equals 0. To get rid of the square, I root both sides, right? And so when I root 0, it just stays at 0. But when I root this, I get rid of that too. And so x plus 2 equals 0. And so x, I take away 2 from both sides, and so x equals minus 2. And so our solution set is going to be both of these solutions, positive half and negative 2. And the answer choice that matches up is A.